Hello children, I am Mrs. Masih and today we are going to complete the exercises of lesson 14, Our Earth. Children, we have already done exercise A, take the correct answer, find my partner, exercise B, and exercise C, make a smiley face for the correct statement and sad face for the incorrect statement. I hope you all have done in your notebook these three exercises. So today we will start the exercise D, that is circle the ones that do not belong to my family. Means four words are given here. One word is not belonging to the other three words. Okay, let's start. First is bird, animal, fish, and road. What is odd here, children? Bird, animal, fish, and road. I think road is odd here. Why? Because bird, animal, and fish, these three are natural things, and this road is made by men. So this is odd here. So we will make the circle over here. Then second is plain, hill, water, and mountain. Plain, hill, water, mountain. What is odd here? What is not belonging to the others? That is water. Why the water is odd here? Can you explain? Can you think? Because plain, hill, and mountains, these three are the parts of land. But the water is not the part of land. Okay, because that is why water is odd, water is different here. Third, land, air, water, and sun. Land, air, water, and sun. What is odd here, children? Sun is odd here. Why the sun is odd here, children? Because land, air, and water that surrounds our earth, that related to the earth. Land is the part of the earth, air is surrounds our earth, and water is also present on the earth, and that is a part of earth. But sun is not belonging to the earth. So sun is odd here. You will make a circle. Then next is E. Complete the statement. You have to complete the statement word. You have to write the word to complete the statement. Then first is dash surrounds the air. Sorry, that surrounds the earth. What surrounds our earth? That is air. So you will write here air. Again with the capital letter. Start with the capital letter. Then second is we live on. Where do we live? We live on land. Okay. Then third is the land covered with sand is called. क्या कहते हैं उसको? जो लैंड सैंड से कवर होता है, that is called desert. So you will write here. Okay. Now F is answer the following question. Where do we grow crops? Children, where do we grow crops? We grow crops on the land. So answer, we grow crops on the land. You can write from here, we grow crops on the land. Then question number 2 is, what do we need to breathe? What do we need, children, to breathe? Yes, we need air to breathe. So you will start from here. We need air to breathe. Full stop. Then third is, what is the earth also called? There is one more name of earth which is known as blue planet. Why it is called blue planet? Because 2/3 part of the earth is covered with the water, and that looks like blue. So it is called the blue planet also. So we will write here, what is the earth also called? It is also called blue planet. Stop. Okay. So these are the exercises D, E, F. You complete in your notebook. Now today we have finished this chapter 14. In the next video we will start chapter 15. That is the last chapter from your science syllabus. So complete all the work. Read your chapters. Prepare yourself for the exam. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe and study.